right, so I'm actually sitting here with Founder Builders today, and we are checking out their complete renovation here in Cleveland Heights. So Larry, could you tell them a little bit about some of the updates that you put into this home?
Everything we had to do here, we had to waterproof the whole property, new driveway, sidewalks out front, new porch, landscaping. There was 2 chimneys. We took both out. All the mechanicals are new furnaces, water heaters, central air in both units, 5 bathrooms. We created 2 masters.
That's what I actually wanted to stop you on real quick. So you took those 2 chimneys out of the 1 rooms to convert those into full bathrooms, correct?
Yeah.
And so each unit has its own full bathroom ensuite. That's so smart. So we are setting the market here in Cleveland Heights. So not only is this an awesome investment property, it has an 8-foot island, not in 1 unit, but 2. So one thing as a remodeler I can appreciate is no transition strips in between the rooms. They really did think of everything just to make it a higher level rental. So this bathroom, you've got tile work, beautiful tile work. Really, they did all the hard work so you don't have to. Now, I usually don't show this part of any of my investment properties, but even the hallways are done so nice from downstairs to up. So we're here in the hidden gem of the home, which is the upstairs finished attic. Doesn't even feel like an attic, does it? Check out all the space. On top of it, there's another 1 bedroom that way and a full bathroom. And the beauty of it is you could eventually close off one of the staircases and keep this either as an Airbnb, another rental. All you have to do is add a kitchenette. Choice is yours. So when you're thinking about your investment opportunity, you want to think about an opportunity that you can do a few different options. This house would make an awesome house hack. You can live in one of the sections and then rent out the other, where they're absolutely paying 100% of your mortgage, if not more. You can also rent out the top unit as an Airbnb eventually if you'd like, or even currently one of the other units as an Airbnb. Or you can long-term rent them. Currently in this market, I'm renting the 4 bedrooms around $1,800 plus a month. And the 3 bedroom, you can get anywhere from $1,550 and above, especially if you Airbnb. If you have more questions about any of that, any other investment questions, give me a call today.